Good morning, everyone. Yesterday means last period, we have learned about the in last period we have learned history lesson number one. Okay, that its name was the sources of history. Which lesson? Lesson number one. Lesson number one, sources of history. Okay, you remember? And what we learn in this lesson? In that lesson, we have learned about the material sources. Okay, okay. History is based on the material sources. Okay, and the written sources. Okay, and also on the oral sources. So in that, we have learned the first topic. It was the material sources. Which material sources? About the material sources we have learned in the last period. Okay, what were the material sources? Okay, forts, mountains, monuments. Okay, like that, these were the material sources we have learned about them in the last period. Okay, today we will learn about the written sources of the history. Okay, today's topic is the written sources. We learn about the significant historical event in the medieval period from the sources like writing style of the script like Devanagari, Arabic, Persian, Modi, etc. Okay, so the written sources are also available of that period. So what types of the written sources are there? From that we can learn, okay, the history. So that written sources were written in the different script. Okay, different types of the script were there. So that script were Devanagari. Okay, our language Marathi, Hindi. It is there in the Devanagari. Okay, it is the Devanagari script, Marathi and Hindi. Like that, Persian also was there and Modi also. Modi, you know Modi, not Narendra Modi. Okay, Modi is the script. ओके, रिटर्न स्क्रिप्ट, राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट वॉज लाइक देवनागरी, मराठी, हिंदी, जैसे हम लैंग्वेज में लिखते हैं, बराबर है, जो हमारा मराठी लिखने की जो तरीका है आ ई, ओके, वही सेम हिंदी में है, वो देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट है. ओके, कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट है? देवनागरी. इसी तरीके से एक मूडी भी स्क्रिप्ट रहती है. पता है, आपके घर पे अगर कोई ओल्ड पर्सन अगर होंगे, ग्रैंड फादर, ग्रैंड मदर, उनको पूछे, वो आपको बराबर बताएंगे मूडी. ओके, इट वॉज लाइक अ कर्स्यू. Okay, Marathi cursive, like it was the different script. Okay, so from that we can learn the history. As also from the varieties of the different languages, burja patras, religious manuscripts, treaties, edicts and decreases, biographies, paintings, etc. Okay, and also the edicts and the treaties, whatever they are written in that time. Okay, these are also available. जैसे कुछ ग्रंथ रहते हैं, पुराण रहते हैं, जो भी कुछ लिखे हैं उस टाइम में. ओके, जैसे कि किसी की लड़ाई हुई उसके बारे में भी लिखा रहता है. सो ऑल सच टाइप्स ऑफ द रिटन सोर्सेस आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. ओके, दीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू स्टडी द हिस्ट्री. We can gather the information from about the food items, attire, convention, and the rules of the conduct of the people, festivals, and about the people's life, etc. From these sources of this type are called the written sources of the history. Okay, and also the types of the sources. See, the whatever festivals were they were conducting in that time. Okay, that festivals, and also the people's whatever that rules were conducting. Okay, attire, costume, food item, what types of the food they were eating in that time. Okay, why such types of the food they were eating in that time. Okay, like we eat now chapati, roti, okay, and different types of the food also we prepare at our home, isn't it? Bread, okay, pakoda. But that time such a types of the foods were not available. Okay, so what types of the foods, costume they were wear that time? Jeans were there? No, now we can wear the jeans. Okay, such a types of the things, small things from that we can learn. Okay, this is there available in the history. See, so other different written sources also were there. So see, if you are having the book, see the lesson number 1, page number 2. Okay, on that page number 2, there is one chart is given there here. See, that chart is there. See what types of the written documents, means written sources are there of the history. See, first is there documents of the proceeding in the courts of the king, means whatever documents were there in that time in the courts of the king. जो राज दरबार रहता था, राजमहल रहता था, उसमें जो भी उनके जो कामकाज के जो कागज़ वगैरह रहते, कागजात रहते थे, उसके ऊपर से भी हम हिस्ट्री स्टडी कर सकते, क्या रूल्स थे, कैसा था उनकी स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह, जो भी कुछ है, ये सभी चीज़ें हम फ्रॉम दैट रिटन सोर्सेस वी कैन लर्न इन द हिस्ट्री. जोग्राफ जेनोलॉजिस्ट शकावली. जेनोलॉजिस्ट शकावली मीन्स क्या होता है? जेनोलॉजिस्ट उसे कहते हैं वंशवाड़ी. क्या कहते हैं? वंशवाड़ी. वो वंशवाड़ी रहती है इस टाइप से. What it means? It means if there is the any one person is there or any one emperor is there or whoever, then from that emperor's son, how many sons he was having? Okay, its son 1 or 2. After that son married to this, like that. Okay, then his son, like that. It is the genealogies. Okay, so such a types of the documents are also available. From that also we can learn. Then correspondence dispatches means जो भी कुछ पत्र व्यवहार उस टाइम में होता था, जैसे राजा महाराजा एक दूसरे को पत्र व्यवहार करते थे, कोई भी लोग एक दूसरे को जैसे पत्र व्यवहार करते थे, वो भी रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट्स अवेलेबल रहते हैं. जुडिशियल वर्डिक्स ऑर्डर, कोर्ट्स वेयर देयर इन दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. जैसे कुछ न्याय मिलना है किसी को, किसी का भी न्याय करना है, तो उसमें कुछ भी रिटर्न सोर्सेस उस टाइम के रहते थे. फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन लर्न, उस पर भी हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ट्रीटीज एंड बायोग्राफीज. बायोग्राफी मीन्स क्या होता है? ट्रीटीज मीन्स क्या होता है? ट्रीटीज मीन्स द ग्रंथ. हमारे जो ग्रंथ रहते हैं, पुराण रहते हैं, जो भी कुछ पोथी पुराण रहते हैं, वो जो लिखे रहते हैं, उसकी लैंग्वेज, उसमें क्या लिखा था, कैसे लिखा है. और बायोग्राफीज, बायोग्राफीज ऑफ द पीपल मीन्स इफ एनी वन is the emperor is there, about that biography of that emperor, about that king, means वो king कैसा था, क्या था, उसने क्या किया, कितने साल राज्य किया, बराबर है, कितने उसने जो भी कुछ फाइट वगैरह किया. ओके, ये सभी चीज़ें उसमें रहता है. ट्रैवलर्स ऑफ द फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स. ओके, the traveler, those who were coming in our country, they were also writing some things. Okay, they are writing the notes about their traveling or about their view, whatever they were seeing in our India, in that place, they were writing about that also. So such a types of the also evidences are there. Next, chronicle तारीख्स means जिसे हम बखर बोलते हैं, जो किसी के बारे में लिखा रहता है, राजा महाराजा के बारे में, दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो दिस सच अ टाइप्स ऑफ द सोर्सेस, रिटर्न सोर्सेस आर अवेलेबल. फ्रॉम दैट वी स्टडी द हिस्ट्री. ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड ट्रैवलर्स फ्रॉम द अदर कंट्रीज केम टू इंडिया. दे हैव रिटर्न ट्रैवलर्स और द अकाउंट्स ऑफ देयर ट्रैवल्स. सम ऑफ देम आर अल बिरूनी, इब्न बटूटा, निकोलस मनुची, Babur's biography, Shiv Bharat, of the Sanskrit biography of the Shivaji Maharaj, composed by the poets Paramananda, as well as the various other biographies of the different rulers and their correspondence, help us to understand the political and administrative system and of the ruler and their diplomatic relations with the other. See, I told you the biographies. So, such a types of the one of the biography of the Shivaji Maharaj is also there. the great king Shivaji Maharaj. Its biography is there. Its name was there. Its name is there. Sri Shiv Bharat. Sri Shiv Bharat. It is the biography. It is in Sanskrit. Okay, and the travelers they came okay to India. They were also writing such a types of the travelers. These are also available to study. Next, so who were the travelers in that time? They came to India. See, their names are also given there. Who were there? Al Baruni, Ibn Battuta. Okay, then Nicholas, Manucci, and Babur's biography. Okay, Babur also is there. So there are all that persons. That biographies are also available. Their written sources are available. Means from that we can understand the political life. Okay, their political serving, how were they serving in the public. Okay, all those things we can learn properly. Next, tawarikh or tarikh means a sequence of the event. Tawarikh or tarikh, these two words are there. What? Tawarikh. It is also called tarikh. Okay, tawarikh or tarikh. Tarikh written by Al Biruni, Ziauddin Barani, and Maulana Ahmad, Yahya bin Ahmad, Mirza Haider, Bhimsen Saxena, etc. are available. See, that तारीख, what is mean by तारीख? हम अगर तारीख बोलेंगे तो हमको आता है डेट, बराबर है? Yes, related to the date means events. Okay, sequence of the event. Tariq means if you are having the book, underline this word, underline this line. Tariq or Tariq means the sequence of the event. Sequence of the event. Which event happened in which period, in which date, on the what date, like that it is the sequence wise they were writing. Okay, that is called Tariq or Tawarik. Okay, understood? So there, if there is the question, what is meant by Tariq or Tariq? So you could give the answer. Tariq means the sequence of the events. Very simple is there, easy. Tariq means the sequence of event. And that Tariq, they were written. Who had written that? Their names are also given there. Some of them are available. So that Al Biruni, Ziauddin Barani, and Maulana Ahmad, Yahya bin Ahmad, then Mirza Haider and Bhimsen Saxena, etc. Okay, are available. Bakhar is the type of the chronicle that originate in Maharashtra. Bakhar. Bakhar is also one type of the written sources. बखर क्या होता है, कहाँ से आया, किसने लिखा? So that is the words and that started that writing that source. It started from the Maharashtra only. Okay, in the Maharashtra people started to write the Bakhar. Chronicle help in understanding the aspect like the contemporary political happening, linguistic transactions, cultural life, social condition, etc. Social condition. Then political condition, how was the politics in that time, राजनीति कैसे खेलते थे, कैसी राजनीति थी, उनका सोशल जो भी कुछ बिहेवियर था कैसा था. ओके, ऑल दैट थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल इन दैट बखर्स. Okay, many of the chronicles in Marathi were written many years after the events had occurred. See that such a types of the many chronicles they are also available, but that chronicles they are written when these are written after many years. जैसे कि अभी अगर इवेंट्स हुआ है तो बहुत साल बाद उसके बाद में लिखा जाए, जस्ट लिखा गया क्या नहीं. तो ऐसे जो क्रोनिकल्स रहते हैं उस टाइप से लिखे गए हैं जो भी आपको अभी अवेलेबल रहते हैं. सो वी कैन स्टडी फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो अबाउट द हिस्ट्री. As a result, they are seen really or hearsays. Okay, but if I am not there, okay, so how can I write the chronicle? If in that event, whatever event was happened before the 20 years or 25 years, so I don't know. So how I will write? But I have written. Okay, that is the for example. So how I will write? If someone will tell, if you tell me about sir like that happened, okay, anyone's. If you ask someone or someone gossip about that event, so you will write by hearsay. Okay, about the gossiping. Hearsay means gossiping. Okay, और really means trust. उसके ऊपर आपको ट्रस्ट करना है, भरोसा करना है, और उसे सुनकर आपको लिखे जाता है. Okay. सम ऑफ दिस क्रोनिकल्स आर ओके. देखो कैसे क्रोनिकल्स रहते थे, उनके नेम्स भी यहाँ पर दिए हैं. महाकविची बखर. कौन से है? महाकविची बखर. नेक्स्ट सभासद बखर. सभासद बखर. नेक्स्ट चिटणीसाची बखर. भाऊसाहेबाची बखर. ओके, बिकॉज इट नेम्स आर रिलेटेड टू द मराठी, इजंट इट? Because that Bakhar, it is started to write in Maharashtra only. Okay, it started is in Maharashtra. The works of the contemporary Western historians like Robert Arm, M.C. Sprengel, and the Grand Duff are also important. Okay, see, do this. See in the box that is there. Make a collection of the Povada's tribal songs. ओके, प्रेजेंट देम इन द कल्चरल प्रोग्राम अरेंज इन योर स्कूल. पोवाडास, पता है ना आपको पोवाड़ा? जैसे शिवाजी महाराज का पोवाड़ा रहता है. ओके, वी विल सी अबाउट दैट. व्हाट इज दिस? ओरल सोर्सेस. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द मटेरियल सोर्सेस. इन दैट मटेरियल सोर्सेस फोर्ट्स आर देयर, देन coins are there. Okay, different types of the material sources are there. Next we have seen the written sources. Okay, such types of the Bakhars, okay, and the travelers. Okay, such types of the written sources also we have learned about it. And next is their oral sources. Okay, oral sources. ओरल सोर्सेस मीन्स क्या होता है? अभी तो हमने मटेरियल सोर्सेस के बारे में देखा है, रिटन सोर्सेस के. But what is the oral sources? See, we understand various aspects of the folk life through the folk literature traditionally passed on from generation to generation. See, generation to generation, जैसे कुछ ट्रेडिशनल फोक्स वगैरह जो भी कुछ रहता है अपना ट्रेडिशनल, वो चीज़ें एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन तक पास होता है. जैसे हमारे पूर्वज जैसे करते हैं उस टाइप से हम करते आ रहे. जो भी कुछ विधि हमारे घर में समारंभ होते हैं, फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, जैसे ये हमारे जो भी कुछ पूर्वज वगैरह थे, ओके, उनसे हम ऐसे करते आ रहे हैं. सो सी सच ए टाइप्स ऑफ द ओरल सोर्सेज. इट इज गिवन हियर माइट्स, फोक सॉन्ग, ओके, गाथा, श्लोकास, अभंगास, okay, proverbs, povadas and legends. Okay, these are the oral sources. Because these are not written orally, people sing at that time povada, Shivaji Maharajancha povada, myths, some stories we have listened. Okay, so these are the written oral sources. Some example are ovis, folk song, okay, povadas, folk tales, okay, legends and the myths. Such types of the sources are called the oral sources of the history. These are the oral sources. Nothing is there, isn't it? Which are the oral sources? Myths, legend, folk song, gatha, okay, stories. History is written with the help of the three types of the sources mentioned above. Okay, on that three types of the sources, whatever mentioned there means written sources, material sources and oral sources. On that history is written. Okay. Even after it has been written down, researches on it goes on continuously. New sources and the information come to the light through these researches. Then history has to rewritten accordingly. We can see that our history book and those of our parents and the grandparents differ in the certain extent. Okay, means the books, because searches, the continuously it is going on. So that's why history, जैसे जैसे कुछ अलग अलग इन्वेंशन लगता है, अलग अलग तरीके से उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, तो हिस्ट्री के बुक में भी उसमें इस टाइप से हमको चेंजेस करना पड़ता है. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, up to this we will stop here and next we will see in the next period. Thank you.